Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are learning how to make bole and fish. This is a popular delicacy in Nigeria, especially among the Niger Delta and Southern people. Without wasting your time, let's get started. We need to make a marinade for the fish, and to make it in the authentic PH style, you have to add some palm oil to a bowl, fish seasoning, paprika and seasoning cubes. Give that a good mix till well combined. Set aside and bring out your already cleaned fish. To clean your fish, all you have to do is to cut the belly open, the side of the fish, then you take out the guts. Easy peasy. You can use any fish you like for this recipe, but we want that authentic PH vibe. They always use mackerel fish, and I think mackerel fish bangs for this recipe, so please use this kind of fish or Titus. Just because we want the seasoning to penetrate inside the fish very well, you're going to make some cuts. Just cut your fish like this, back and front. I repeated the same process for the other fish, and once you're done, pat it dry, then apply the marinade we made earlier. Add to the front, add to the back, and you're going to use your hands to massage it into those cuts, inside the belly area, even the head. I know some of you like head of fish more than anything, so you want to season that part too, okay? Now rub in the belly of your fish, add to those cuts, massage it into every corner. If you're following, just let me know in the comment section by typing correct. You see how we treated the first fish, eh? You are going to do the same thing to the second fish. Massage those seasoning inside very well. Before I forget, if it's your first time coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. And to my returning subscribers, you are also welcome. Thank you for always tuning into my channel and watching my amazing food recipes. The fish is well marinated. We are going to set it aside for a few minutes. You are not marinating it, you just need to set it aside for a few minutes because it's the plantain and the fish that will go into the oven at once. One cannot go without the other. Prep your fish first. That time that you're using to peel the plantain, the seasoning will be chilling inside the fish. I am done peeling the plantain. I'm just going to set it aside. Now get your baking tray, line with a parchment paper. Place the fish on your baking tray. You see that plate we removed the fish from? Don't be in a hurry to wash it away. You're going to place the plantain inside, then use your hands to just apply that marinade on the plantain. Make sure you shake it very well so that the plantain grabs all that marinade. Can you see that? Sense no go finish me, oh. That way you're not making another marinade for your plantain, and trust me, these bangs you go almost chop everything finish. Transfer to your oven and grill. Make sure you are using the grill function, not the bake function. If you press the bake function, your fish is going to come out watery instead of getting dried up and firm. For more flavors, you can bake at first, then grill later. Just do whatever works for you. Right now I am blending the peppers. You can see it's time to make the sauce. Add some palm oil to your pan and add a lot of onions. Guys, you need onions for this recipe. If you don't have onions, please don't try this recipe. Now add your roughly chopped peppers. If you want it spicy, you can add more or just blend with the seeds. Season slightly with some salt and seasoning cubes. That's all those curry, thyme, Italian spices, sazon, you don't need them here. One key thing I think makes this sauce or bole and fish to be very delicious and outstanding is its simplicity. Now after grilling for a while, this is what you should have. You can see our plantain is ready. Can you see those plantain? They look so beautiful. I'm going to take out the plantain, add that pepper sauce on the fish. Not all of them, just add small. You see the way our fish came out dry? Very mindful, very demure. Make sure the grill function is turned on when you add your fish into that oven. At this point, your fish is ready, but you just want that pepper sauce to just enter inside. Pop it back into the oven for like 2 to 3 minutes and bring it out. Serve and enjoy. If you have watched up to this point, please tell me your name and where you are watching from in the comment section. I will give you a shout out in my next video. As always, don't forget to like, drop a comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing recipes. Bye.